bigtractorpower fans, this video comes to you from Western Kentucky, where a 473 horsepower Class 8 John Deere S7 800 combine with a 400 bushel grain bin is harvesting winter wheat. With a 40-foot wide John Deere RD40F Hydra Draper head, in this presentation I would like to share with you the combine's production history, specifications, and list price tag, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the combine's cab to see its operation. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this harvesting action. The John Deere S7 800 combine was new for model year 2024 and was offered on a limited basis for that harvesting season and has gone into full production for 2025. It is part of the all-new John Deere S7 series of combines, which includes Class 6 up to Class 9 machines rated from 334 to 543 engine horsepower. They're manufactured in East Moline, Illinois, at the company's Harvester Works. The S7 800 is a Class 8 combine based on its horsepower. It's powered by a 13.6-liter, 830 cubic inch John Deere PowerTech engine rated at 473 horsepower. It can achieve with a power boost up to 540 horsepower when it encounters tough harvesting conditions. It is fitted with a 330-gallon diesel fuel tank in a 19.6-gallon diesel exhaust fluid tank for clean engine solutions. The combine's threshing system consists of a 55-inch wide feeder house. It's equipped with a 30-inch diameter, 123-inch long single rotor. The total cleaning area on the combine is 63.5 square feet. It's fitted with a 400 bushel grain tank that empties through a 28.5-foot unloading auger at 4.2 bushels per second. The combine weighs in at 49,141 pounds. According to JohnDeere.com, the base list price for a model year 2025 John Deere S7 800 combine is $784,552. This combine is harvesting winter wheat with a 40-foot wide John Deere RD40F Hydra Draper head, which was announced by the company on June 15, 2020, and remained a current product through model year 2025. This header enables higher harvesting speed without sacrificing cut quality with a 4-inch double-cut dual-drive shaft-driven cutter bar and minimizes grain loss with a 2-speed center feed section. The list price for this header for model year 2025 was $156,473. up in the cab of the S7 800, and I'm going to visit with the operator to talk with him about what it's like to harvest winter wheat with this combine. Nice job out here in this field. We can see it's got the new X9 style cab on the S-Series single rotor machine. Got a nice mirror over here and good visibility all the way across the field. The crop's doing really well. It's right now first day of harvest, yielding about 102 bushels and being harvested at 17%. And we can see the grain is just pouring here into the 400 bushel bin. The combine's running at about 2.8 miles per hour, running the 40-foot Draper head out front, doing a good job harvesting. And so this machine's a nice upgrade from the past S780. How have you liked it so far?
Oh, it's definitely a lot better than old 780s. Better luxury and everything.
What's been the nicest improvement that you've liked? I know if this is only the first full day of it actually in the field, it's not even too dirty yet.
Just a cow, more room with your cow. See a lot better everything.
So they've updated the your display here. We can look down here. You can see the tailings coming through there, and just a little bit different setup than the past. So we're out in a pretty good sized field, and you're making your first pass across this section. And one of the nice things on the display screen here is down there in the corner is a camera, so you can look at the bin and get an idea if you're going to be able to make it all the way across, or you'll need to cut a hole to let the cart catch up with you.
Yeah, it definitely helps. You can see how it's exactly in there. A lot of times they get pretty full and run over pretty quick.
No, it doesn't take much, and then if you go across a washout or a little bit of a hole,
oh yeah, throw it out.
Then it's all over the cab.
Yeah.
We can see the 8R410 tractor coming up with the Kinsey 1121 cart, and there's a new boot on the S7 series that allows the crop to be adjusted and fill in all the corners and flow it where you need to go in the cart. So are you happy with the adjustable auger as well, being able to flow the grain into the cart?
Oh yeah, it's definitely better. You can throw it all to the other side of the cart.
And we can see the grain dropping down here, moving out the 400 bushels. So one of the nice upgrades on the S7 combines is the unloading auger that cleans itself out. How does that work?
Yeah, and you cut the auger off, it runs a few minutes to clean all the excess seed out of the auger. And that's a lot better than the old ones, because you drive off and a lot of times you're trickling seed out.
Yeah, that definitely is an issue when you see it dribbling out there for quite a few feet after you filled up the cart.
Yeah.
Imagine it also helps end of the day, you don't have to carry any extra grain up there. If the cart is loaded before you're unloaded, you can keep on going.
Yeah. Push this button and start cleaning out.
The combine is on auto steer, running a perfect 40-foot pass across the field, and we can see how nicely the wheat is flowing here into the head. The sickles are cutting it. as we come up here to the headland, we'll see the operator take it over and turn it around for that next pass. With a push of the button, the auto steer takes over again and start cutting again. So how do you like the RD40F Draper head?
I really like it. It does a good job.
So I know one thing a lot of people always ask about is the reel speed. How do you decide how to set how fast you're running it in the crop?
You just want to pull it in there good. Sometimes it's down, you got to get out, run the reel out, and pick it up.
Well, this section of the field is really just dropping it in there really nice. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere S7 800 combine harvesting wheat. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use a John Deere combine on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the crops that you harvest with it. If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.